Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install pip for Python in Windows 10. So all you need to do is just go to this website bootstrap.pypa.io/getpip.py. Just right click on this, save, and just save anywhere you want. Just save on the desktop. I'll just save it on the desktop. Yeah. So all you have to do is now just go to command prompt, navigate to your desktop. So usually all you have to do is would be this only, cd desktop. Now all you have to do is just run this getpip.py file. For this you'll need Python, but if you don't have Python, just go to python.org, Python 3.9.2, scroll down. You have a Windows installer here, you have a Mac OS installer here. Just install whichever is your platform. And once you've installed, just click python 3 getpip.py. This will successfully install pip on your PC. Now just to check, just try and install some Python libraries. Let's say we want to install pygame library. So you do pip install pygame, and since I already have it, it says the requirement is already satisfied. If you don't have this pygame installed, then it will download it for you. This means pip installation has been successful. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Thank you.